Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. So, post lunch session. So, I hope that it will not be a drowsy session. So, I promise to make you wake up. So, first of all, respected honorable dignitaries and bureaucrats and respected government officials from Mizoram government and the corporate colleagues. So myself Bidyutjyoti Chakraborty from Tele Solutions. So as we talk about Tele, the journey of the organization started from 1988, and it is a purely Indian homegrown company based out at Bangalore, and our operation spread out across the globe in 100 countries. So as we talk about the Tally as a product, many of us recall it as a accounting software. Particularly those who are associated with the accounting backgrounds and CA, GSTP kind of, and the peoples who are doing the financial, have a relation with the financial domain. So the journey started from 1988. So let's have a look what are the basic things that Tally have since from the beginning of our journey. It is the trusted brand software in the SME segment, and we have almost 2.5 lakh registered license-based customer across the globe. And Tally has the highest brand value across the accounting domain, and also have the highest number of SME customer in the Asian regions. And it has a robust sales network that is almost 26,000 partner base, and among this partner base we have a solution partner, we called it as a 5-star partner, that is almost 200 partners across the country, and 100 partners providing the enterprise solutions for government and very large scale entity. And Tally is the preferred choice of many SME, government and large scale enterprise for their accounting, inventory, compliances, and also for the payroll. So when we talk about the product, it has basically have a presence in PSU, central sponsor schemes. When we talk about the government, Tally has a presence in PSU, some of the PSUs, some of the central government sponsor scheme, some of the mission mood projects. We will see about the mission mood projects, and many of the NGOs funded by government, not government, and state sponsor schemes, and also for the cooperative body and the societies. So, what does basically Tally do? Tally, the backbone as a financial management solutions. Primarily, we started as a bookkeeping, and later on we developed inventory, compliances, and taxation, budget and audit control, and balance sheet, and you can have a fully trial balance, income and expenses statement kind of thing. Everything, the financial reports you required, that can be generated from Tally and with a authenticated proof record. And we also offered, apart from these solutions, we also offered a fund management solutions for the government entity, where we have a dedicated solutions, especially for the government mission mode projects, where we have the mechanism to track of the fund which are disbursed to the lower unit. It means from the state government to the district level to the block level to the panchayat level, and utilization certificates, all the things we can track here. It is a fund management solution, and Tally also has the micro finance solution that can be used for any segment, whether it is supported by the government or non-government, that can be tracked for the loan disbursement to the micro and medium enterprise, and their repayments, their utility, and everything can be tracked. Particularly, we have deployed it for the CLF level federation, cluster-based level federation. That is also we have deployed for self-help groups where there is a particular, those groups are in this domain. So we have a dedicated solutions for NGO also. So NGO can track their fund and utilization pattern also. And we have for the very large scale enterprise, we have the stock and sales visibility report where the OEM or the original equipment manufacturers can track their direct dealer or distributors, the stock positions and their sales position from their head office. That is we called as a stock and sales visibility report, and we have always a leadership in the SME segment, and since from the last 39 years we are providing a happy customer service across the nation and across the globe. So talking about few of our customer base includes, so you can see that is the National Health Mission, NRLM, a political party office also use tele, SAIL Steel Authority of India Limited, NSIC, NAFED and IFCO. These are the some big giants or the government entity who are using tele directly or indirectly for their operations, right? So tele is also a preferred solutions for the funding agencies, and these funding agencies include the UNDP, World Bank, Asian Development Bank, JICA, IFAD, Department of International Development. They are always preferred tele as a preferred finance solution or fund management solutions. So this is the journey. It is a brief journey of tele, started from 1988 to 2024-25. As I told earlier, it has started as a accounting domain software. Later on, we develop the inventory part. Later on, we compliance. We have a pioneer position when the VAT was introduced in 2005. And tele was the preferred choice at that time. Then in 2017, when the GST was implemented in 1st July 2017, then tele is also a preferred solutions for the SME segment. And later on 2020, from tele ERP9, we have developed a platform that is called Tele Prime. And from Tele Prime, we are started to provide the connected service. That means the connected to the GSTN portal, connected to the e-invoicing portal, connected to the EOA bill portal, connected to the banking system. So we have started the connected services, and I am proud to say that presently in the country, whatever the e-invoicing has been generated, more than 70% of the e-invoicing are generated by using the tele software platform. So these are the some of the organizations and government entities where large scale tele implementation and adoption has happened. Few of the examples are here. National Rural Health Mission, across the state, across the country, almost everywhere tele is implemented. They are using tele. National Rural Livelihood Mission, state to state wise, the name is different, but the parent organization is National Rural Livelihood Mission. They are using tele for themselves also. They are using tele for their cluster level federations, and they are also using, some of the states are also implementing recently for their self-help group. And recently, it is not recently, more than 2 years it has happened, we have implemented tele in Farmers Producers Organization, that is a national tie-up. And we have already implemented more than 2,500 approx license in the farmer producer organizations across the state, and it is we are proud to say that most of the farmer producers organizations are from the northeast belt. Maximum of them are northeast belt. We have transferred our knowledge with them, share them about the uses of tele, and trained them and make them adaptable to use tele to track a report on their profitability. And Steel Authority of India is also making it mandatory for their dealer base to use tele. So these are the FPO projects highlights. We have worked very closely in the FPO projects, and in the two front we have worked here. One front is basically transferring the knowledge to the FPO directly, and another front is getting the database where the CBPOs are engaged. If they want that, we are want a visibility for the FPOs, how they are maintaining, we are also working on that. So this is the basically fund management solution system structure. You know that if it is a central government fund, it came to state, then it is going to district to block level, and block level to panchayat level. So we have the solutions to track the fund, utilization of budget, unexpenses budget, utilization certificate, all of the things we can track from tele through the fund management solution system. So it has basically, we incorporate chart of accounts as a common chart of accounts in this case, so that the reports can be uniform and reports can tell about the whole story of the disbursement of fund, particular budget wise, particular activity wise. So benefits of fund management system, it is a basically distributed application versus central application. So you can use in the both the way. If you want a consolidated dashboard, you can also develop for that. If you want to use for your decentralized way, so you can also use like that. Transparency and accountability is also there. Data reliability is the most priority tele is maintaining since from its inception, and easily deployable. Tele is a software. It is also important to mention here that Tele is the first codeless software in the country. So in the era of 1988, when nobody can think about a codeless software, Tele has developed a codeless software at that time only. So it is a achievement at that time we have done, and we are continuously working towards a development for this. And it is easy to import, implement and operate because the manpower availability, the know-how of tele technology is easily available in the market. We have separate division, tele education, who are continuously engaging for the training programs, and they are also providing certification programs for the schools, universities where they have a scope. So these are some of the reports that can be generated from the fund management solutions. You can see the utilization certificate, physical reports, FMR reports, performance reports, and the day book kind of report. And the left-hand side, we have the detailed report which can be abstract from tele from the fund management solutions, right? So talking about the solutions that Tele have for the enterprise customers, Tele has an audit trail version. Audit trail version, if I simply say that whenever it is also as per the Ministry of Corporate Affairs guidelines, if data is manipulated or data is altered, data is deleted, it can be recorded in Tele. There is a separate version for that. We called it as an audit trail version, and we have an enterprise solution product that's we called it as a Teleprime server. Teleprime server is basically catering to the needs of the large scale entity where there is a larger user base and where there is a concurrency issue and where there is a data security issue. Teleprime server caters to the need of concurrency issue, data security issue, and also takes the data backup. It has a complete visibility of user-wise activity of the day. So day-wise, time-wise, particularly it provides the user-wise activity. So Tele Prime on AWS, that is, we have a tie-up with Amazon Web Services, and this is a unique solutions that we have developed with working with Amazon, that is specifically for Tele. Tele EXE is hosted on Amazon, though Amazon has other solutions also, but it is developed specifically for Tele. So Tele has a solutions for cloud. Those are the customer who want to work day and night and want to access the Tele licenses 24/7. They can have the liberty to choose this Amazon Web Services. So we are here to support you. Basically, we are here to digitize central and state funded programs and automate the financial management and bookkeeping system and facilitate this audit and compliances. Compliances, it means the indirect taxation, all the compliances. Tele right now have a connected GSTN network from where without going to the GST portal, you can upload the returns, you can file the returns, and you can have a reconciliation report of all the input that you are supposed to get from your suppliers. So that is the things, and we are adopt basically two-way approach. One approach for the new prospect, new entity, new business entity, new government clients. That is, we follow it. First we study the system requirement, then we approach, then we make a proposal, then approach for the software. If we find out a solution is required, then we offer a solution for them also. And as per the solution, if some customization is required, we are able to do the customization also. And finally, we make them trained and handholds them to use the Tele for their organization, for their department, for the particular division they work for. And for the existing customer, we first, if the existing customer has procured Tele, which has been procured some earlier days or earlier years, which is not renewed or which is not in the current version, we ask them to convert it to the current version so that we can have the latest facility of Tele to get them. It is just to mention also that we have tie-up with the Meta also. Meta means the Facebook. With the tie-up, we are offering the WhatsApp solution through Tele. That is also a verified WhatsApp solutions for Tele. That's from my side. Thank you. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present here.